In this video, we're going to show you how you can change your front wiper blades on a 2021 Subaru Crosstrek. The first step that you want to do is just grab your wiper arm and pull it back up towards you. If this is your first time doing a wiper blade, you'll want to put something underneath here, because if this is to fall without having the wiper blade on, it can crack the glass. So be sure to put something here on the windshield so that you don't fall and hurt the windshield if this falls. So what you want to do is depress this small little square tab. So we'll just go ahead, depress it, and wiggle out the wiper assembly. And you'll see here that the wiper has a guide right here that goes into the notches on the wiper arm. And to reinstall, you'll just kind of give it a little bit of an angle down, get it kind of stuck in there, and you'll have to just give it a little bit of a wiggle to get her to fit nicely back into her keeper. Then you'll hear that nice little audible click. I'll do that for you again so you can hear it. And that's how you know that you're in. And then you'll just go ahead, give it a little wiggle test, make sure it's not going to come off, and you'll do the exact same thing for the passenger side.